Hi everybody, this is Janice Buck and I'm your instructor. I want to get off on the right foot this term, so I want to go over the rubrics and how I grade, and I'm going to start with really a difficult one that's going to be due this week by Sunday. Okay, this is a milestone for a final project. This is the first milestone, and you will find the rubric for this. This is what it looks like. Okay, if you read through this, you'll see you're going to be working on a project, a risk analysis based on the information in this scenario. You click on this little blue thing and you're going to see the scenario. There it is. So this is the scenario you're going to be working with the entire time. Okay, now let's go down here. This is what you're going to do this week for the first milestone. You're going to do the inventory with A, B, C, and D. You're going to do access A and B, rating A and B. And if you look further down the rubric, you're going to see that all these things are covered in the critical elements. There they are: access, rating. Okay, what you need to do here, use these critical elements as headings for sections or paragraphs. Make them bold so I know where you are. Make them beautiful, and then speak to these. If you want to get an exemplary, what you do, let's take this first one for example, the data systems lifecycle. To be proficient, you would describe the data systems lifecycle of the health information that was compromised in that scenario that I just showed you. You want to get exemplary? I want to see some demonstration of a complex grasp of data system life cycles. You might want to actually use some references for this. And remember, we are using APA format. Every reference has to be APA formatted, and every time you have a reference, it has to have a proper APA citation showing where it was used. There's no putting any references at the end with no citations. They have to be in there. They have to be in APA, and your document has to be in a proper APA format. You can download the template for that for Microsoft Word quite easily so that you've got a proper document, and then make sure you know the rules for APA. So it's very simple. This is how I grade. So what you need to do is read the part that says proficient if you want to take 90%. But if you want to get 100%, you're going to have to read over here to the exemplary column and meet these requirements. A lot of times the exemplary requirements are going to mean you're going to have to do some research. And that means you're going to have to use the library. So have fun with it and learn something and really do a great project, okay? I'm looking forward to seeing them, and if you have any questions, email me or use the general questions discussion board and I'll help you out with this, okay? All right, good luck everybody. Signing off now.